Utilization of fungi in industry, agriculture, food, and pharmaceuticals. Useful roles of fungi. Fungi have both positive and negative roles in our daily lives. So they are our friends as well as foes or enemies. They are described as below. Uses as a decomposers of waste. Many saprophytic fungi decompose plant and animal debris and continuously remove it from the man's environment. During this process, they also liberate a large amount of carbon dioxide, which is used by the green plants for the synthesis of food by photosynthesis. Decomposition of organic waste also results in the formation of humus, which is needed for the growth of plants. Edible fungi. There are about 200 species of fungi which are used as a food. The most important among them are common field mushroom, that is Agaricus campestris. We call it as a puffballs, Lycopradon, Clavacia, Morels or Butch, Morchillia esculenta, Cathrella sibariis, and Boletus edulis is very high and almost equal to animal protein. Though the food content is not high in these edible fungi, they are a rich source of vitamins. They are delicious in taste and regarded as delicacies of the table. The common mushroom, Agaricus campestris, is cultivated on commercial basis in Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, South India, and other states of India. They are usually grown on compost beds in mushroom houses. Some of the mushrooms are poisonous: Amanita, Amania muscaris, Boletus satanus, Intiloma lividium, and Rusilia species. They are fatal and cause death if consumed. Therefore, they are popularly called death cups or destroying angels. The edible species are commonly called mushrooms, whereas poisonous ones are called toadstool. Yeast cake. The large scale production of yeast cake is called microbial farming. These are prepared by mixing a large number of yeast cells with some inert substances such as starch, and they compress to form cakes. Yeast cells are rich in protein and hence the yeast cake are eaten directly as a health given food, giving food. Yeast cakes are extensively used in baking and brewing industries. They are also used in laboratories to demonstrate fermentation in sugary solution. Used in medicine. Many strains of fungi produce potential metabolites which are used as a medicine or in the preparation of medicine. Some metabolic products used in medicines are ergot. It is a most useful drug obtained from a sclerotia of Claviceps purpuri. The fungus is parasitic on grasses, especially rye. The disease is called ergot of rye. The ergot contains alkaloid ergotamine and many other substances like ergotonic acid, ornithine, specilotoxin, etc. The drugs stimulate muscles of uterus and used as arboreticin to assist childbirth. It is also used to increase blood pressure, controls uterine hemorrhage, and in many other uterine disturbances. Antibiotics. As an organic substances produced by a microorganism which inhibit or reduce the growth of certain microorganism is called an antibiotic. Some of the antibiotics obtained from fungi, their sources and applications are listed below in a table. Penicillin antibiotics obtained from Penicillium notatum used against gram-positive bacteria. Clinically, it against pneumonia, rheumatic fever, tonsillitis, tetanus, diphtheria, and many other diseases. Griseofulvin, Penicillium griseofulvum, used against mycosis. Cephalosporin, Cephalosporium acromonium, a marine fungus used against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria and in typhoid. Zaverin, Aspergillus species, used against smallpox, influenza, Leukoderma, etc. Clavicine, Aspergillus clavatus, used against fungal diseases. Vitamins. Fungi are rich source of many vitamins. Vitamin B complex is obtained from yeast. Other vitamins obtained from yeast and molds are vitamin D, riboflavin, and ergosterol. Industrial use. Fungi are used in many important industries in the production of varied products. Alcoholic fermentation, the common alcoholic beverages, wine and beer, are fermentation products by the activity of different species of Saccharomyces. Wine is made from juice of grapes or other fruits by allowing yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, to induce alcoholic fermentation. It contains 10 to 12% alcohol. Beer is chiefly made from barley grains. The starch of grains is first converted to fermentable sugar, maltose and glucose by the process called malting. It is then fermented by special strains of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The beer contains 3 to 8% of alcohol. Other brands such as whiskey, brandy, rum, and gin are distilled alcoholic beverages. Whiskey is distilled from fermented mash of cereal or potatoes and contain up to 50% alcohol. Brandy is distilled from wine and contain up to 60 to 70% alcohol. Rum is obtained by distillation of fermented sugarcane juice or molasses and contain about 40% alcohol. Other industrial products, source or fermenting organism and uses. Citric acid source is Penicillium and Aspergillus species used in flavoring extract, confectionery, dyeing, medicine, soft drinks, silvering mirror, etc. Oxalic acid obtained from Aspergillus niger, organic acid used in medicine and many industries. Itaconic acid, Aspergillus terreus, in plastic and glass industries and in jewelry. Kojic acid, Aspergillus oryzae, an antiseptic and preparation of many chemicals. Enzymes. A large number of enzymes such as protease, invertase, maltase, catalase, cellulase, amylase, pectinase, and glucose oxidase are produced by fungi. Maltase and alpha amylase are obtained from Mucor roxy, Rhizopus japonicus, and Aspergillus niger. Glucose oxidase is obtained from Penicillium chrysogenium, and pectinase, protease, and catalase are obtained from Aspergillus niger. Invertase is obtained from yeast. Gibberellic acid. The phytohormone gibberellic acid is obtained from the culture of Gibberella fusiferae and Fusarium monaliforme. It is used to induce growth and flowering in plants. Biological control. Many soil inhabitant fungi parasites or soil borne pathogens and thus control plant diseases. Trichoderma, Lignorium, and Gleocladium flimbarium found in damp soil inhibit the growth of Pythium species and control dumping of disease. Harmful effect of fungi. First, spoilage of food. Many molds such as Rhizopus, Mucor, Aspergillus, and Penicillium grows on bread, jams, jellies, etc. and render them unfit for human consumption. Second, spoilage of goods. Many households and commercial goods are attacked and destroyed by fungi. These include electric goods attacked by certain molds, clothing, cotton and rayon are attacked by Aspergillus, Penicillium, Rhizopus, and Mucor. Foliage of goods. Wool attacked by Alternaria, Fusarium, Penicillium. Paper and book attacked by Aspergillus, Alternaria, Fusarium, etc. Leather and leather goods attacked by Aspergillus and Penicillium niger. Rubber attacked by various species of Aspergillus and Penicillium. Optical instruments destroyed by Aspergillus and Rhizopus nigricans. Destruction of timber wood. Failed timber is attacked by Polyporus sezensky, which is decay wood and cause great economic loss. Allergic fungi, spores of many molds, Rhizopus mucor and fungi imperfecti, Alternaria and Homodendron reach the throat, lungs and other body parts, produce symptoms of allergy. Human fungal diseases. Many species of fungi attack human beings and cause diseases. Some of the common diseases are listed below. Human fungal diseases, dandruff, caused by Microsporium purpur, scalp. Part of plant affected is scalp. Dermatomycosis, ringworm, barber itch, athlete's foot, and Dobie's itch, which is caused by Trichophyton species, Microsporium species, Epidermophyton species, and affected parts are hairs, follicles, scales, and nails. Name of the disease, Cryptococcus. Cryptococcus neoformans yeast, which cause and usually affect the brain, less commonly lungs, subcutaneous fat, and mucous membrane. Name of the disease, aspergillosis. Causal organism is Aspergillus fumigatus and Penicillium species. Parts affected are lungs and ear. Name of the disease, mucrosis. Mucor, Mucedo, and Rhizopus nigricans are the causal organisms, and affected body parts are lungs and ear. Name of the disease is sporotrichosis, that is deep mycosis, caused by Porothrix sezenki. An infection to the body part is throat, pharynx, and muscles. Plant diseases. Most of the fungi are parasitic and cause serious diseases. They attack cereal, pulses, vegetable and fruit crops of economic value. Some of the diseases caused by fungi are listed below. Wheat, loose smut of wheat caused by Stylogo tritici, black rust caused by Puccinia graminis, brown rust caused by Puccinia recondita, leaf blight caused by Alternaria triticina, rice or paddy crop having fall smut caused by Eustylagonoides virens, bunt caused by Pileatia pareliana, leaf smut caused by Intioloma origi, foot rot caused by Fusarium monaliforme, cauliflower, brown rot caused by Alternaria brassicae, cabbage, white rust caused by Albigo candida, barley, powder mildew caused by Irisaceae gramineae, covered smut caused by Stylogo hordeae, foot root caused by Helminthosporium sativum, sugar cane, red rot caused by Polytotrichum fulgatum, potato, late blight caused by Phytophthora infestans, early blight caused by Alternaria solani, and tuber rot caused by Pythium eratotrophus. Apple, scab caused by Venturia inequalis, soft rot caused by Rhizopus stolonifer, blue mold rot caused by Penicillium expansum, grape, downy mildew caused by Plasmopora viticola, tomato, late blight caused by Phytophthora infestans, early blight caused by Alternaria solani, oat, covered smut caused by Stylogo coleri. Thank you.